I'm gonna preheat the oven.
Okay.
How many minutes?
20 for now. So for our ingredients, we have our mashed potatoes here, shredded chicken, we have our spices, and our vegetables. We have our bell peppers, onion, garlic, ginger, and some fresh parsley as well, and almighty salt. To begin with, we are going to marinate our shredded chicken and put it in the fridge for a while and work on our potatoes.
Okay.
And to marinate our chicken, we are using fresh onion, garlic, ginger, and pepper as well, and some of the fresh parsley. Yeah, you're gonna give me pepper from the fridge. So we have our shredded chicken.
Okay.
I'm adding some spices.
Okay.
I'm adding my blended ingredients.
Just see the way the husband is even peeling off the potatoes.
He's a pro, isn't he?
No, he's not.
Slicing potatoes into four. I'm gonna boil our potatoes for some minutes for it to soften before we bake it. So we are transferring it into the saucepan. I can add some salt.
Some salt?
Taste.
Okay.
Yep. So not to waste time, we are going to cut our vegetables into our desired shape. It's not really well cooked, but it's semi-cooked because we're gonna bake it anyway.
Okay.
So we are draining the water from the potatoes.
Do you need something to put the sieve inside?
I think I'll put it on there. On this. Thank you. Rolled.
Okay.
We're gonna transfer it into our baking pan. In this life, you make use of
Okay,
whatever you have, so-
alright.
I really feel like eating this all.
They don't ever try.
Aduane.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the blended ingredients
Okay.
just to give it flavor. I mean, the kind of flavor I
You
want. So.
Okay.
Oh, did I tell you my wife is a great cook?
Hey.
Did I tell you?
Hey,
Hey.
a bit of spices.
Okay.
We have black pepper, white pepper, and other peppers.
You have all the peppers?
Yeah.
Different kinds.
Different kinds.
This aromats.
Aromats?
Yeah. I don't know, but it's a kind of seasoning that I like to use. I have white pepper, black pepper, and dried parsley.
And dried parsley.
And we have to put oil in it. Yeah, just a bit of it. Yes, I'm just adding a pinch of salt, just small salt.
Just a small salt.
Yeah,
Okay.
sprinkle on it for. Just gonna put it back on.
So,
Potatoes in the oven now. Yeah.
That's good.
So we're gonna hop on the stir fry now. Coconut oil.
Alright, so coconut
That
oil.
last pinch of my coconut oil. Yeah. So coconut oil. You're gonna make use of every coconut oil in here.
Oh yeah?
By the way, I love chicken.
Oh, you love chicken?
I do.
So we are putting our chicken in there
Oh, I see.
to get it fried.
Okay.
But for me, that's not the reason anyway. When it comes to frying chicken and stuff like this, stew, I prefer to use coconut oil. I'm putting the
If you're ready.
onion.
You never see your wife and then you were posting like that?
I'm telling you.
You was posting his wife almost every day. The wife to be, not the wife, because by then the wife was not there.
You were with him?
Yeah.
This
You
is
know,
that race you choose. So.
Is that right?
this is a serious one.
So we've added the bell peppers, onion, the vegetables we had to the chicken. We're just mixing it up. We're adding a pinch of salt to it. Aromat,
Okay.
yeah, some black pepper, the together. So I don't want my vegetables to be so soft, so I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay, alright.
Else will produce a lot of water.
It looks yummy already.
Fishing out our vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah.
Increase the
Ghana to me you should.
A bit crispy. Then we are done. Yeah. And we garnish the potatoes with a bit of parsley. Just for garnishing's sake.
bro. I'm not eating potato that is spicy in its own way.